d square y divided by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to n square into log x. Now here we have to first write in terms of x square y double dash minus x into y dash plus y is equal to n square into log x. Now same that implies x is equal to e power t, applying exponential on both sides. Now x into y dash is equal to d into y. X square into y double dash is equal to d into d minus 1 into y. Now substituting this xy dash x square y double dash value in the above equation. So d into d minus 1, I will write y outside. So x into y dash is d plus in the place of y I will write 1 whole into y. Whole into y, that is equal to n square. In the place of log x we can write t. Now d square minus d plus 1 whole into y n square into t. So d square minus 2d plus 1 whole into y is equal to n square into t. So write the auxiliary equation equal to 0. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 comma 1. This is a repeated c1 plus c2t. In terms of t we have to write where d is equal to d by dt into e power t. So c1 plus c2 log x e power log x. Now yp. Yp is n square t divided by d square minus 2d plus 1. So I write this n square here only. So now apply the division method. Here I will write t. Here 1 minus 2d plus d square. To get t, I have to multiply 1 with respect to t. 1 into t is t. So again differentiation of t is 1. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Again double differentiation of t is 0. Next tt will get cancelled plus 2. To get a plus 2, again I have to multiply 1 with respect to 2. So here 2. Change the sign. So here it will become 0. Again for differentiation of the constant term is 0. So I will get here t plus 2. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 plus c2 log x e power log x value is x plus n square into t value is log x plus 2. This is the solution. X square d square y divided by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to sine of log x. Is this problem got over? If it is over, you can tell. Yes. Now, first write in terms of y dash and y double dash. So x square y double dash plus x into y dash plus y is equal to sine of log x. Now put t is equal to log x. That implies x is equal to e power t. Now xy dash is equal to dy, x square y double dash is equal to d into d minus 1 whole into y, where d is equal to d by dt. Now, substitute in the above equation, d into d minus 1 plus d plus 1 whole into y is equal to sine t, because log x we have mentioned it as a t. So d square minus d plus 1 whole into y is equal to sine t. So dd will get cancelled, remaining d square minus 1 into y is equal to sine t. So auxiliary equation is
D
m
square
square,
plus 1.
yes, sorry, d square plus 1. Here auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus I. This comes under the case 3, that is complex roots. So yc is equal to c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Now yp is sin t divided by d square plus 1. Now here a is equal to 1. So d square should be replaced by minus a square, that is minus 1. This is the type 2 because sine, the trigonometric function is sine. Sine t divided by minus 1 plus 1. So denominator is equal to 0. After writing dr, put a dot. That means a full form of denominator. So here t into sin t, differentiation of this f of d, that is 2d. So t by 2, the reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So integration of sin t into dt. So t by 2 integration of sin t is minus cos t. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to c1 cos of log x plus c2 sin of log x minus log x into cos of log x whole divided by 2. Because so here they have given x square d square y minus 3x dy plus 5y is equal to x square, where capital D here will be d by dx. So here d square means d square divided by dx square, differential operator. So first we have to write x square d square y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 5y is equal to x square. Next, x square y double dash minus 3x y dash plus 5y is equal to x square. Put t is equal to log x. So x is equal to e power t. Xy dash is equal to dy. X square y double dash is equal to d into d minus 1 into y. Substitute in the above equation. So d into d minus 1 minus 3d plus 5 whole into y. In the place of x square, e power t whole square. I will write e power t whole square. In the next line, d square minus d minus 3d plus 5 whole into y is equal to e power 2t. So d square minus 4d plus 5 whole into y is equal to e power 2t. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. When you multiply, you have to get 5. When you do addition and subtraction, you should get minus 4. So here I will write minus 5. Is it possible to write like this? Minus 5 and minus 1. So here factorization it will not come. We have to apply the quadratic equation formula. So here I will write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 5. So 4 minus into minus plus 4. Here root of 16, 4 5s are 20 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus root of minus 4 because minus 20 plus 16. So here we get 2i divided by 2. So 2 plus or minus I, because from the numerator I have taken 2 as a common term. So 2 will get cancelled. Remaining will be 2 plus or minus I. Yc is equal to C1 cos t, C2 sin t, e power 2t because p value is 2. Yp is e power 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 5. Here a value is 2. So I write here e power 2t, 2 square means 4 minus 8 plus 5. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So we get e power 2t. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 cos of log x, c2 sin of log x, again e power 2t, that is nothing but e power 2 log x, that we can write e power log x square. So e power log x square value is x square plus again yp is also e power 2t, so I will write x square. This is the solution. This is the formula how we have to write the e power 2t. Square y by dx square minus 4x dy by dx plus 6y is equal to cos of 2 log x. So here also first x square y double dash minus 4x y dash plus 6y is equal to cos of 2 log x. Put t is equal to log x, that implies x is equal to e power t. Again xy dash is equal to dy, x square y double dash is equal to d into d minus 1 into y, where d is equal to d by dt. Substitute d into d minus 1 minus 4d plus 6 whole into y is equal to cos 2t, because log x we have taken as a t. So d square minus t minus 4d is minus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to cos 2t. Again 6 here minus 5. So minus 2 minus 3. So here we can write d minus 3 into d minus 2 into y is equal to cos 2t. So auxiliary equation is m minus 3 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to 3 comma 2. Therefore yc is equal to e power c1 e power 3t, c2 e power 2t. Yp cos 2t divided by d square minus 5d plus 6. A is equal to 2. D square will be replaced by minus a square, that is minus 4. So cos 2t divided by minus 4 minus 5d plus 6. So cos 2t divided by minus 5d plus 2. I write minus outside from the denominator. So 5d minus 2. Now we have to do the rationalization. Cos 2t divided by 5d minus 2 into 5d plus 2 divided by 5d plus 2 minus of cos into d of cos 2t plus 2 into cos 2t divided by 5 into 5 25 d square minus 4. Now differentiation of the cos 2t is 2 minus 2 sin 2t plus 2 cos 2t I will write as it is divided by 25 into minus 4 minus 4. From the numerator I take 2 as a common. So minus 2 here I will write minus 5 sin 2t plus cos 2t. When you add 25 into 4, 100. So minus 100 minus 4 is minus 104. So 2 ones are 252s are. So I will write just wait a minute. Here yes, okay. Now we get cos 2t minus 5 sin 2t divided by 52 divided by 52. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. C1 e power 3 log x is x cube plus C2 e power 2 log x is x square plus cos of 2 log x minus 5 sin of 2 log x divided by 52. There is linear equation. Legendre is linear equation. So here an equation, take down an equation of the form a naught ax plus b whole square y double dash a1 ax plus b y dash a2y is equal to phi of x. Here put t is equal to log of ax plus b. So again apply exponential on both sides. E power t is equal to ax plus b. So ax plus b, see this one properly. Coefficient of x is a into d into y for the first order. Now again axb whole square into y double dash. Here coefficient of x again it is same but is double second order. So I will write a square into d minus y 1 into y. So on where d is equal to d by dt. In this form we have to solve the problems under Legendary's linear equation. Take down the first problem. Take down the first one. 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to sine of 2 into log of 1 plus x. Now start the solution. Put t is equal to, we have to see this term. This should be same in every term, but degree should match. Here second order with degree 2, first order with a degree 1. So put t is equal to log of 1 plus x. That implies 1 plus x is equal to e power t. Now 1 plus x into y dash. Here coefficient of x is 1. So I will write 1 into d into y. Next 1 plus x whole square into y dash. Here also coefficient of x is 1. So I write 1 square d into d minus 1 into y, where d is equal to d by dt. Substitute the same. So d into d minus 1 plus d plus 1 whole into y is equal to sine 2 log of 1 plus x is t. So d square minus d plus t will cancel. D square plus 1 into y is equal to sine 2t. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus or minus I. YC is C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. YP is equal to sin 2t divided by d square plus 1. Here a is equal to 2. So d square will be replaced by minus a square, that is equal to minus 4. So sin 2t divided by minus 4 plus 1. So it becomes minus sin 2t divided by minus 3. So I write here minus, here it is 3. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to c1 cos, here t value is log of 1 plus x plus c2 into sine of log of 1 plus x minus sine of 2 into log of 1 plus x whole divided by 3. This is the solution of the first problem under Legendary's linear equation. Plus x whole square y double dash plus 1 plus x y dash plus y is equal to 2 sine log of 1 plus x. This is similar to the previous problem, only yp part will change. So we write here, put t is equal to log of 1 plus x. So again 1 plus x is equal to e power t. X 1 plus x into y dash is 1 into d into y. 1 plus x whole square into y double dash is again 1 square d into d minus 1 into y, where d is equal to d by dt. Next, substitute this in the above question. So d into d minus 1 plus d plus 1 whole into y is equal to 2 sine, instead of log of 1 plus x, I will write t. So d square plus 1, again plus d minus d will get cancelled. So we get d square plus 1 into y is equal to 2 sine t. Next, auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus I. Yc is equal to c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Yp is equal to 2 into sin t divided by d square plus 1. Here a is 2, d square is replaced by minus a square, that is equal to minus 4. So again here 2 into sin t a is 1. A is 1. Here minus a square should be replaced by minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Again denominator here it will become 0. When denominator will become 0, we have to multiply with the t into write the numerator term as it is. Differentiation of the denominator, that is 2d. 2 will get cancelled. Reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So integration of sin t. We get t into cos t. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So that we can write it as a c1 cos of log x plus c2 sin of log x minus
Log of 1 plus x, ma'am.
log of
1 plus
yes. So I will write yes, y is equal to c1 cos of log of 1 plus x, c2 sin of log of 1 plus x minus log of 1 plus x into cos of log of 1 plus x. This is the solution. This is here little bit different. The coefficient of x is 2. So 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash minus 6 into 2x plus 1 into y dash plus 16y is equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. This is little bit different. Put t is equal to log of 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is equal to e power t. Now here 2x plus 1 into y dash. So coefficient of x is 2. So I will write 2 into d into y. Next 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash. Coefficient of x is 2. So 2 square d into d minus 1 into y, where d is equal to d by dt. Substitute the same in the above equation. So 2 square means 4, d into d minus 1 minus 6 into 2. Here I will write 6 into 2 into d plus 16 whole into y is equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square means e power 2t. So 4d square minus 4d minus 12d is minus 16d plus 16 whole into y is equal to 8 into e power 2t. Divide by 4 on both sides. So d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 2 into e power 2t. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So m minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma 2. So it is the repeated root. So we have to write C1 C2t into e power 2t. Yp is equal to 2 into e power 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. A is equal to 2. So we have to write yp is equal to 2 into e power 2t, 4 minus 8 plus 4. So denominator here we get 0. 2 into t e power 2t. Differentiation of the f of d is 2d minus 4. Again do the substitution. 2t e power 2t divided by 4 minus 4. Again denominator here it comes 0. So 2t e power 2t, again differentiation of the denominator is 2. So we get here t square into e power 2t. T square into e power 2t. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to c1 plus c2 log of 2x plus 1 e power 2t means 2x plus 1 whole square plus log of 2x plus 1 whole square into 2x plus 1 whole square. So 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into y dash minus 36y is equal to 8 square plus 4x plus 1. Here it is little bit different. So what we have to do, put t is equal to log of 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 is equal to e power t. So x, in terms of x we can write e power t minus 2 divided by 3. Now 3x plus 2 into y dash. Here coefficient of x is 3. So 3 into d into y. 3x plus 2 whole square into y dash. Coefficient of x is 3. So 3 square d into d minus 1 into y. Where d is equal to d by dt. Substitute. So 9d into d minus 1 plus 3 into 3. 9d minus 36 into y is equal to, here in the place of x I will write e power t minus 2 divided by 3 whole square plus 4 by 3 into e power t minus 2 plus 1. So 9d square, here now minus 90 plus 90 it will get cancelled, remaining will be 36y. 8 into, split this one, 3 square means 9, e power 2t plus 4 minus 4 into e power t. Here 4 by 3 e power t minus 8 by 3 plus 1. Now take out 9 as a common. So 9 into d square minus 4 into y is equal to 8 by 9 e power 2t plus 4 8s are 32 divided by 9. 4 8s are again 32 divided by 9 into e power t plus 4 by 3 e power t, here minus 5 by 3. Now I will transfer in the next line. I will just write a auxiliary equation is m square minus 4 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus 2. Yc is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus 2t. Yp is equal to, here for yp I write, first I write 1 by 9 to the right side. I will open the bracket 8 by 9 e power 2t divided by d square minus 4. Again minus, here LCM between these two is 9. So minus 32 plus 12. Minus 32 plus 12. How much it will become? Minus 32 plus 12. Yes, 20. Again e power t divided by d square minus 4 I will write as it is. Okay. Next, here also LCM is 9. 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15.
17.
Yes, here it will become 17. Here nothing is there means we can write e power 0t d square minus 4. Here I will write the continuation 1 by 9, 8 by 9 e power 2t divided by 4 minus 4. The first term it will be denominator will be 0. Minus 20 by 9 e power t 1 minus 4 plus 17 by 9 1 divided by minus 4. So 1 by 9 into 8 by 9 t into e power 2t divided by differentiation is 2d minus into minus plus 2 by 9 into 3 20 by 27 e power t minus again here 17 divided by 36. 1 by 9, 8 by 9. Here 2 ones are 2 fours are, so we can write 4 by 9 t into integration of e power 2t into dt plus 20 by 27 e power t minus 17 by 36. So I take from everywhere 9 as a common. So 9 into 9, 81. So here we get 4t e power 2t divided by 2 plus 20 divided by 3 because already I have taken 9 as a common. So 1 by 81 2t e power 2t plus 20 by 3 e power t minus 17 by 4. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So, yc is e power log of 3x plus 2 whole square plus c2 divided by, sorry, log it won't come, 3x plus 2 whole square, c2 divided by 3x plus 2 whole square, 1 by 81, 2 into log of 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 2 whole square plus 20 by 3, 3x plus 2, 20 by 3, 3x plus 2 minus 17 by 4. This is the answer.